Hi! Today we're having our staycation at Hotel H2O. Save this for later. Hotel H2O is located near Luneta Grandstand. Perfect ang location nito if you're planning to visit Manila Ocean Park. We book our hotel via Klook. Very easy lang ang procedure. You just need to show the booking to the receptionist. Check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out time is 12 noon. Let's have our room tour na. Our room is located at the 3rd floor, and we chose the aqua room without window. Don't forget to use my Klook code when booking your accommodations, Mami Helena Klook. So here's the bed, telephone, mini fridge, table, TV, cabinet, safe, slippers, electric kettle, free bottled water and coffee. This is the bathroom. The shower area, they have hair dryer, weighing scale, toiletries, towels. By the way, they gave us 2 free tickets to the Ocean Park Aqua Adventure. For foods, madami din mapagpipilian doon. Bye!
Na po tayo. Ingat po tayo.